Hey guys, so I'm making another video from who else? WowAfrican. I bought another wig and I ordered this wig last week. Last week on a Thursday or a Friday, and it came literally on Monday. So they're very fast. Also, their customer service is awesome because Oliver, he updated me with daily updates of what process he was on in making the wig, and he was so amazing. And yeah, that's why I love WowAfrican. One of my free gift that I chose was the rat tooth comb. This is probably one of the best combs you're gonna ever get in your life. And it says WowAfrican. It's just a regular schmegler, but it's very strong. And if you a black girl, you know combs are fragile with our hair. So it's always nice to have a really sturdy, nice comb. And when you got braids or a weave, it's always nice to get that itch out, you know? So I chose this. So yeah, it comes in the regular box, the WowAfrican box. So I did open mine. I didn't take the hair out yet, but I did open the box. So it comes in this beautiful pink satin bag with the logo and everything on it, and I'm gonna open it right now. So, and I believe I got the 16-inch straight Indian 360. I put the description, I put the like all the specifics in the description box. And it was 100 and I believe 150 or 80 density. I'm not sure, but and here is the wig. I always do a smell test, even though I know it's not gonna smell. I always do a smell test. So here's my smell test. No smell. Yeah, no smell. And I'm gonna go ahead and flip it for y'all. So it's lace in the front, and it's like this in the middle, and then it's lace again in the back. And they have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 clips. It's one big one in the back and 2 little ones in the front. And this is a 16 inch. So yeah, I am gonna part mine down the middle, and Joanna's gonna bleach my knots. Joanna is the amazing woman who does my hair. She also did my braids. They're looking a little old, but she did my braids, and she does all kind of stuff, and she is gonna make me beautiful. I could try this on. It's not really gonna look right because I have braids, but let's just see this really quick. Also, I have a small head that I've been told, so I always get a small for sizing because I've been told that I have a small head. Oops, might want to bring that down. Okay, so I can't see now. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold this so you guys can see. So imagine this not here, but when I cut the lace, which I'm not gonna do right now, but when I cut the lace, it's gonna look amazing. So this will be down, yeah. So already I love it. The length is not really long, but I wasn't really going for long. I was going for thickness and density. So it's good for me. I'm kind of short. I'm only like 5'2", 5'3". So I'm pretty short. So it comes to like here. Right before the boob starts. A little past the shoulder. So that's that. And again, I'm gonna do, I wanted to do a side, but the middle was looking kind of cute. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do the middle part. I think I want a middle part. So probably do a middle part. It wasn't the straightest, but y'all get my point. I mean, the hair is just, it's flawless. Like, I'm not even trying to part it. Y'all get it. I could tuck this behind the ear and it's gonna look like edges still. It's very beautiful. So I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. And yeah, this is the wig. A wig head. So yeah, you can make this any part you want. If you wanted that side part, you could totally do that. And tuck it behind your ear and make it like that. I'm very excited though. I think I'm gonna get this, because I'm like in my braids phase right now, so I'm thinking maybe for like New Year's or something, or for Christmas maybe. But the hair is beautiful. I mean, even with the lace on it, I mean, you see it. You see the baby hair. I mean, it's just it's just beautiful. So this is a glueless wig, although I'm probably gonna put I'm gonna tack mine down with bolt hold tape, because I don't be taking it on and off. If I have a wig, I'm gonna keep it on. So personally, I use bolt hold tape. You can buy it online. If you on Instagram, it's under the hair diagram, so look her up. Her products really work. If you're not using her products, I don't know what you're using, because hers actually work, and you can't really tell it's a wig. I've had people tell me like, oh my gosh, your hair is so pretty. I'm like, oh, thank you. She's like, you know, like, how do you keep your hair so healthy? And I always tell them like WowAfrican.com. They're like, oh, like what products? I'm like, it's a wig. It's a wig? Like, yes, it's a wig. So yeah, this wig already like has a lot of body as well, like, and y'all will know what I mean when I say that. It has a lot of body. I'm trying to hide the braids, but you get it. Like, you go up, look at all that, and this is just straight out the pack. So it's gonna be amazing when I actually have it on. It's gonna be amazing. And let's see, it goes back pretty far. It goes back all the way to here for the party. So all the way to there it goes back. So if you ask me, that's pretty amazing. I got a natural color, but they do color it for you if you want. I pretty much don't really dye my hair or try color, but that's just me. But if you want, you could definitely do that. Like I said, I was gonna do middle, but I'm really feeling like side part. Let's see. Yeah, I wanted a middle part, but now I'm feeling side. Now I'm feeling the side part. I'm really liking the side part. So yeah, this is the wig. If you have any questions, you can always comment. And yeah, I'll have that description for you, the full exact name and everything of where I got it. I'll put in the description bar. But yeah, this is the wig. Even though it says 360, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm probably not gonna make this. I'm probably not. You could, but I'm probably not gonna try to do a ponytail and all that cool stuff. But it makes it possible because it has baby hair in the back, which is amazing and really needed with 360 wigs, but it lays it down so perfectly. So if you wanted to, they have baby hair in the back for you. It's really beautiful. So I love it. This is my third wig from WowAfrican. Oh, there it is right here. So the item number is TLW11 and the color is natural and the hair length is 16. So here you go. So that's T as in Tom, L as in Larry, W as in whale, 11. So yeah, that is the 360 wig. And yeah, I love it. 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 And I can't wait to install it. I will do an update video and let you guys know how it came out. Alrighty, bye.